Hello guys, in this video I will be talking about which COLL algorithms are worth learning. All the COLLs are not worth learning because the algorithm of them are very slow than the normal algorithm. For the soon and anti-soon cases, you should just do the soon and anti-soon. But for this case, if we can see that these two corners are diagonally opposite and these two are same. So if we do anti-soon or back-soon right here, we would get a diag swap case, which is not a very good case. So to avoid this, we could do this algorithm right here. This would at least give us a two headlights, and it the same for the soon cases. These two are opposite and these two are same and these two are opposite. If these two were opposite, then you could do soon and all corners would be permitted. So if we do normal soon, diag swap, and this algorithm just righty, give us a good PLL. And it's only for this case, or if you see any other case, you should not do this algorithm. This algorithm is only for this case. For the HCOLLs, you should learn all of them because they are very easy to memorize and all are at a very same speed. So for the first case, when we have these two horizontally same, and here for the second case, here we have vertically same and here we have horizontally same, like this. So to do this would be a main algorithm for many of you guys. The algorithm goes: and for this case we have triple times RU R prime U prime F prime. For the third and fourth case of HCOLLs, we have when two are opposite and two are same on the one side. So for first case, when we have this facing to the right and these two are same. For the second case, when we have these facing towards us, if we hold this from this angle and it's right but it's us towards us, so we should hold this from this angle. So to do this, we would do and for this case, holding this like this, we do for the LCOLLs. You should also learn all the cases because they are also very easy to recognize and all of them are at the same speed to execute. For the first case, when we have these two opposite to each other, and if we hold this from this angle, this facing to us and this facing towards the left, and if we see that these two are adjacent, and if you can recognize from this case also that these two are opposite. So to do this, we do the normal algorithm. For the second case, when we have a similar case to this case, these two are opposite, but if we see this time, we have opposites right here, not right here. So we do this from this angle like a reverse wide sledge and this. For the third and fourth case, when we have these two the same, so we hold it from this angle like these two faces to the right and the left one faces towards up. So to recognize this case from this angle, we see that these two are opposite and these two are adjacent. So to do this, we do for the fourth case, when we have these two the adjacent and these two the opposites, so we do this from this angle like facing the left one facing towards us and this facing towards right. So we do for the fifth and sixth case, we have these two adjacent to each other. So to recognize this case, we see that from this facing towards us and this facing towards the right, that these two are same. For the second case, if we see this from this angle, these two are opposite and also these two are same. So to do this, we do and for this case we do a U2 and do this algorithm. For the UCOLs, you should learn only these two because these two are almost the same. It's the algorithm just from another angle. So to recognize this case, we have these two adjacent to each other and the color right here, or we can say okay, right here matches to this. These two are similar. So to do this, we do the normal algorithm. For the second case, when we also have adjacents, but this time these two are opposite and these two the same. So we do a U2 and then do this algorithm just from another angle. For this OLS, the COLL algorithms are very easy. There are only two algorithms. So for the first case, when we have these two adjacent to each other and when we hold this like this, these two match. So we do from this angle the normal algorithm. For the second case of the COLL, we see that this time these two don't match. These two are opposite to each other. So we do a U2 and we see that these two match. So we would do the mirrored algorithm for this case. For the pi cases, you should not learn any algorithms, but for this case, we would just do the normal algorithm when we have these two the same and these two the opposite. So we hold it like this and do the normal algorithm. And for the second case, when we have the almost the mirrored case, when we have these two the same and these two the opposite, so if we did the normal algorithm, we would get a direct swap, which is not a very good case. So to avoid this, we would do this algorithm. RU and that would give us a better PLL. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this helpful, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel Cubing Tips and Tricks.